Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these yummy chicken keema samosas. So let's get started. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon. Make sure to hit all so you get notified for whenever I post new videos. For the dough you will need 500 grams of flour, Ajwain seeds, ghee, and salt. Make sure to check the description for the measurements. In a pan, we will add the flour, the salt, and the ajwain seeds. Give it a good mix. Then we will add the melted ghee. Make sure it's not hot, and we will just crumble it into the flour until it forms a pastry type dough, and you can see it holds together when you squeeze it. Now we will add water little by little, and make sure just keep kneading it until it forms into a soft ball. Cover it with a damp towel and let it set aside for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can just form them into little balls as shown in the video. For the filling you will need minced chicken, turmeric powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, red chili flakes, cumin seeds, allspice, salt, ginger garlic paste, onions, 2 chilies, and fresh coriander. You will also need coriander seeds, pomegranate seeds, and chaat masala. So in a chopper, we will chop up the onions and the green chilies. Then we will squeeze out the excess water. You can do it with a cheesecloth. I didn't have one at that moment, so I just used my hands. In a pan, we will add oil. To that, we will add the cumin seeds and fry them a little bit until they're fragrant. To that, we will add the ginger and garlic paste and fry until fragrant. Then we will lastly add the keema and fry it until it's cooked. Once it's all fried up, you're just going to set it aside and let it cool down for a bit, around 10-15 minutes. Now in a bowl, we will add the onions and chilies we had chopped and drain the water. The chicken, give it a mix. To that we will add the chili flakes, the garam masala, black pepper, turmeric, cayenne, salt, mix it all up. Now we add the coriander, and you see I have not added the other stuff I told you yet because I was tasting this and making it as I went. Now here I'm adding the chaat masala. I used the Shan brand masala because this is the only one I like. I didn't like the other brands. Now we're going to add the coriander seeds. I've added them on my hand and I'm going to crush them between my palms, like rubbing them. Now, same with the anardana. This anardana is darker because I've chopped it and lightly roasted it. Now stir it all up and it's ready. Sorry for the background noise, it's my fan and it makes a lot of noise. Now we take the dough balls and make them into little UFOs. As you can see, it looks like a UFO. And yes, this is how you're supposed to do it. Do not change the method, guys. Now do this And now we roll it out after dusting some flour on there. Like that. Yeah, work it, girl. Make it round. I'm just kidding, you don't gotta make it round. You can cheat like this. Now stack 4 of them on top of each other and just cut them down the middle. Now you take half the moon and we form it into a cone. Add water to it so it can stick together. I pinch the top together so it can stay put. Then I add around 3 teaspoons of the filling as shown and add water to the corners so it can close up. And I just cut off the excess. Here I've prepared around 6 samose. The total you can prepare with the dough is around 14. Now our oil is set on a medium-high flame. We've added 3 samose. It depends how big your karahi is. So here I'm just frying them up. You have to make them light golden, don't overdo it. And now you go ahead and strain them, babies. Look how good they look. Mashallah, they were so good, guys. I definitely recommend this recipe. It was my first time making it this way because I saw some other YouTubers do it and I wanted to try it, but I've added most of my own stuff to it. Serve them with your favorite green chutney or aloo bukhara chutney. I just love it with the aloo bukhara chutney because it just makes it that much better. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.